Crystals are more than just beautiful objects. They possess unique energetic properties. Think of them like sponges, absorbing energy from their surroundings. Over time, crystals can pick up negative vibrations. This is where cleansing and charging come in. Cleansing removes unwanted energy, restoring them to a neutral state. Charging re-energizes your crystals with positive vibrations. Both practices maintain the clarity and potency of your crystal's energy. There are many ways to cleanse your crystals, each with its unique benefits. Here are 4 popular and effective methods. 1. Running water. This method is ideal for most crystals. Simply hold your crystal under cool running water for a minute or 2, visualizing the water washing away any negativity. 2. Sunlight. Place your crystals in a safe spot where they can bask in indirect sunlight for a few hours. Sunlight is a natural cleanser, but be cautious with certain crystals like Amethyst, which can fade in direct sunlight. 3. Moonlight. Leave your crystals under the light of the full moon overnight. Moonlight offers a gentle yet powerful cleansing energy, particularly effective for sensitive crystals. 4. Smudging. Light a sage bundle or incense stick and pass your crystal through the smoke for a few moments, visualizing the smoke carrying away any unwanted energies. Charging your crystals is like giving them an energetic boost. Here are 4 effective charging methods. 1. Sunlight. Place your crystals in direct sunlight for a few hours. 2. Moonlight. Leave your crystals under the full moon overnight. 3. Earth. Bury your crystals in the ground for 24 hours. 4. Other crystals. Use clear quartz or selenite to cleanse and charge. Section 4. When and how often to cleanse and charge. How often you cleanse and charge your crystals depends on how frequently you use them and the environments they're exposed to. As a general rule, it's a good idea to cleanse your crystals after each use, especially if you've used them for healing work or in a particularly draining environment. Charging your crystals can be done less frequently, perhaps once a month or whenever they feel energetically depleted. Trust your intuition. If a crystal feels heavy or dull, it's likely time for a cleanse and charge. Remember, cleansing and charging are personal practices. Experiment with different methods and find what resonates best with you and your crystals. Section 5. Conclusion. Maintaining the vibrant energy of your crystals. Cleansing and charging are essential aspects of working with crystals. By incorporating these practices into your routine, you're ensuring that your crystals remain clear, energized, and functioning at their full potential. As you connect with your crystals, pay attention to their energy and how it interacts with your own. With mindful care and attention, your crystals will continue to be powerful allies on your journey of healing and self-discovery.